Today we're learning the classic cocktail recipe of a Manhattan. Hey everybody, my name is Michael, cocktail bartender at Polly in Fitzroy, Melbourne. And today we are making a Manhattan. So the Manhattan is a beautiful classic cocktail, very simple to make and very simple ingredients as well. So we have a rye, a sweet vermouth, we have bitters and maraschino cherry. You can also garnish with an orange twist if that's more easily available. So the first thing we're going to be doing is making sure our glass is nice and ice cold. Just putting a little bit of ice in it. Very easy to remember recipe. We are using 60 ml, 2 ounces of our rye. And we are using premium products today. Woodford Reserve Rye, delicious. So 60 ml of that. Putting that one back. And now 30 ml of our vermouth. Nearly chopped the bottle there. Putting that one back. Now we're doing 2 dashes of Angostura and 1 dash of orange, just to add a nice orange tinge to the drink. So now we're stirring it down. Ice to the top, grabbing our mixing spoon. And for this one, we are stirring for between 45 and 52 times when the beaker's nice and ice cold. Giving it a stir. Needs a little bit more. So you want that ethanol balance on the palate to be nice and balanced between the rye, water and vermouth. Grabbing our julep strainer, dumping the ice and simply pouring that. Nearly broke the glass, that's perfectly fine. And also we're adding for our garnish 1 maraschino cherry. So the juices from this cherry will add to the flavour of the drink as well and really give it a nice sort of sweet tinge to it. We have a Manhattan. Pushing it out to your customer and give it a little taste. Beautiful drink. Thanks guys, let us know if you have any questions. Otherwise we'll see you in our next video.